laptop ในเราคณิสก็ USB driver เนี่ยบอสเต้มือวิดีโอเนี่ยเราจับในเราคณินังใช้วิธีเพื่อ USB สกอร์นี้จะมือ laptop บ่อยยิงจังในเป็นในเราคณิบันดอล USB หายวิจัยแบบนี้แมนบ่อยจังแบบนั้นมีในทาง laptop บ่อยยิงอัดมี driver บ่อยวิธีจังยิงตระเตตำล้าง driver วิสันสำหรับการ install driver บ่อยวิยิงคนจะ extract file วิจัยมาแก้วสันมาหรือก็ไปเลียวิจัยมาแก้วสันมาพอยิงโจทย์การ folder บ่อยวิยิงเคยเปลี่ยน driver อีกนึงยิงจาก install วิมาហើយយើងយកពាក្យថា install រងចាំវាបន្តិចវានឹង install ខ្លួនឯងឲ្យយើងរួចរាល់បន្ទាប់មកយើងគ្រាន់តែដកដូច USB ហ្នឹងហើយដោតចូលមកវិញវានឹងស្គាល់គ្នា automatic ហ្មងដោយសារតែយើងបាន install driver វាហើយរបៀបមើលថា driver យើងពិតជាបាន install ហើយយើងចុច Windows X ហើយចូលទៅកាន់ device manager បើសិនជាឃើញ com របស់វាបែបនេះមានន័យថាយើងបាន install វាជោគជ័យហើយឥឡូវមកសាក upload program របស់យើងនៅក្នុង GA Book ម្ដងថាវាដើរអត់ជាមួយនឹង USB មួយហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាអ្នករកគ្នាចាប់អារម្មណ៍ក្នុងការរៀនប្រព័ន្ធបញ្ជីឧស្សាហកម្មអ្នករកគ្នាអាចចុចឈ្មោះចូលរៀនតាមរយៈ page យើងផ្ទាល់ឬក៏ QR code Telegram របស់យើងនៅលើអេក្រង់ហ្នឹងសម្រាប់វគ្គថ្មីហ្នឹងនឹងបើកសម្រាប់ក្រោយហ្នឹងឯងហើយសម្រាប់មាតិកានៅក្នុងការរៀនរបស់យើងមានដូចជាមូលដ្ឋានគ្រឹះ PLC program ការដំឡើង circuit PLC ការប្រើប្រាស់ទៅលើ HMI touch panel ការបញ្ជា motor ដោយប្រើប្រាស់ PLC អញ្ចឹងអានេះជាគោលសំខាន់ដែលយើងមិនមែនរៀនតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេយើងមានចំណុចផ្សេងៗជាច្រើនទៀតតែយើងត្រូវរៀនហើយរយៈពេលដែលយើងត្រូវរៀនគឺមានចន្លោះពី4ខែទៅ5ខែនោះអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាអ្នករកគ្នាចង់ពង្រឹងសមត្ថភាពខ្លួនឯងក្នុងផ្នែកប្រព័ន្ធវិទ្យាឧស្សាហកម្មចុចឈ្មោះលើហ្នឹងតើមាន promotion
Cambodia Technical Center Education Solution